like if something is heavy, right? It's for something to be heavy to you, or for something to be difficult to you, or something like that, right? And so when you say anye, it means like it won't be too difficult, or it won't be too heavy or too onerous, you know what I'm saying? And chuku means God. So when you put all that together, Ifanyi Chuku means nothing is too much for God. Nothing is impossible for God. So I gave him that name because it's in line with his theme of overcoming devastating challenges and always coming out on top. And that is because nothing is impossible for God, and God also gives him the strength to continue to overcome. Ifanyi Chuku. And the short version of that name, which you've probably heard a lot, a very common Igbo name, is Ifanyi. So Ifanyi, or Ifanyi Chuku. So Ifanyi Chuku's names give him the power to be courageous, industrious, and reliable. Tag and share this video with all the Ifanyi Chukus that you know.